Hello everyone, welcome to Aptly Plus Academy for Civil Services, and I welcome you all to the learning series via News in Focus. Today's topic of discussion is National Efficient Cooking Program. Now, this particular program aims to revolutionize the part of cooking practices in India, and also at the large extent, it aims to promote the energy efficiency in the country. Now, what are the other details we'll be discussing in detail? This particular topic is relevant for both prelims and मेंस एग्जामिनेशन. मेंस में आप इसे एज अ फोल्डर पॉइंट यूज कर पाएंगे. प्रीलिम्स में आपसे डायरेक्ट सवाल पूछे जा सकते हैं. इवन फॉर मेनी अदर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एग्जामिनेशन और अदर सेंटर रिक्रूटमेंट एजेंसीज के एग्जामिनेशन में भी आपके लिए टॉपिक काफ़ी ज़्यादा रेलिवेंट है. Now let's get started with the detail of the part of National Efficient Cooking Program. So this was actually launched by EESL. So EESL is a PSU. मैं इसके बारे में डिटेल में आपको थोड़ी देर में बताऊंगा. So EESL has actually launched the National Efficient Cooking Program, which is known as NCEP and Efficient Energy Fan Program. तो दो प्रोग्राम इकट्ठे लॉन्च की गई थी. These two programs were actually aimed to give a informed information about the importance of energy efficiency in the country. The initiatives are aimed at revolutionizing the part of cooking practices in the country and even emphasizing the importance of energy efficiency. Now, for every product that is marked, right, हर एक product के लिए एक अलग rating होती है, star rating होती है. If you're purchasing an electronic durable, there's a star rating, there's an energy efficiency rating which goes on. Just to give you the example of air conditions, हर एक चीज़ें star rating के accordingly BIs के अपने एक marks and other things are also there that is working for the part of energy efficiency in the country. Now, what is National Efficient Cooking Program? As I've already told you, उसके साथ साथ एक efficient fan program भी launch की गई है. But we are more concerned on the part of efficient cooking program. So this aims to distribute almost close to 20 lakhs of solar electric based inductions. That is actually gas stove that will give given to the people of this country, and ultimately it will help कि वहाँ पे किसी भी तरह से बर्निंग प्रैक्टिसेस ना की जाए, and they're using the electric based energy efficient inductions. Now this induction is based where the distribution will be done through the program, और इस particular inductions के थ्रू almost 25 to 30% ऑफ की cost reductions भी दी की जाएगी in terms of both energy saving and the cost cutting solutions which is there. Now this is a program which is under the Clean Cooking Scheme, which is a program by the EESL, that is Energy Efficiency Services Limited. इनकी already एक scheme है that is CCS, that is Clean Cooking Scheme, which is already in function. Now they have also promoting the part of clean and electric cooking to support India's geo-electric campaign. If you look at the part, अगर net zero emissions की बात करें, specifically highlighting in the part of net zero emissions, India has set a target for 2070. उसके साथ साथ और भी कुछ important targets है जो कि इस efficient cooking programs के थ्रू मदद मिलेगी गवर्नमेंट को जल्दी अचीव करने में. Now we'll see what are the important significance and benefits of electric cooking. किस तरह से ये help करेगी even to reducing the part of the pollutions and even helping country to a larger extent. So first, energy efficiency and reduce dependence or import. जब भी आप इस तरह के electric based consumptions use करते हैं, you are actually using the electricity, so there's no reliance on the part of the import is required. Cost saving for the poor families, they don't need to invest much on that because the electricity bill will also be not that high for this particular gadgets or the equipments. A comparable food quality मिलती है, sustainable practice and energy efficiency, increase share of non-fossil energy resources. और अगर इंडिया की पंचामृत इनिशिएटिव्स की बात करें जो कि COP26 में एक्चुअली प्राइम मिनिस्टर ने कही थी, so we'll be reaching out to 500 gigawatt of fossil fuel by 2030. At the same time, the net zero emission must be also taken into consideration. And enhanced well-being and environmental impact, these are some of the significant advantages and benefits of electric cooking. If you're writing specifically in mains examination, तो आप ये सारे benefits या significance highlight कर सकते हैं. Now कुछ facts जो आपके लिए जानना ज़रूरी है. India has been relied on the part of biomass cooking for alternative, and this is detrimental to the impact of individual health and environment. Not only human health, सिर्फ और सिर्फ human health ही नहीं, इसके साथ साथ इसके जो repercussions हैं वो environment में भी हैं, right? 60% of energy future is deemed to be expected for the coming from the cooling sector. Ceiling fan की अगर बात करें, this approximately has 40% of the total residential electric consumption. जितनी भी, I mean, if you normal household में देखिए, fan is one which is used across the country. Be it any part of the country, fan is ऐसी चीज़ है जो यूज़ की जाती है. एयर कंडीशन सबके पास नहीं है, बट फैन एक ऐसी चीज़ है विच इज़ अफोर्डेबल एंड बिंग यूज. तो एनर्जी कंजप्शन भी वहाँ भी काफ़ी हाई है. तो एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी फैन प्रोग्राम के थ्रू यहाँ पे भी गवर्नमेंट को मदद मिलेगी इन टर्म्स ऑफ द कंजप्शन. बाय रिप्लेसिंग ऑल करंट फैन बिल्स ऑलमोस्ट जो कि अवेलेबल है, नियरली 20% ऑफ द टोटल रेसिडेंशियल इलेक्ट्रिक कंजप्शन कैन बी डिमिनिश्ड. तो 20% तक की जो कंजप्शन है उसको कमी की जा सकती है, एंड दिस विल अल्टीमेटली हेल्प टू यूज, आई मीन फर्दर उसको और लंबे समय तक यूज की जा सकती है. Now, a brief about Energy Efficiency Services Limited as they have launched the program. तो आपको इसके बारे में जानना ज़रूरी है. This is a limited joint venture of the PSU under the Ministry of Power. Make sure that you not confuse Ministry of Renewable Energy भी है, but Ministry of Power, that is actually the part of the thing that is working. The leading energy efficiency company that aims to promote energy efficiency. LED bulbs बनाती हैं, tube lights, air conditioners, street light and electric vehicles. So these are the products, I mean the actual products that is there in terms of promoting the energy efficiency in the country. Now these initiatives also result in a significant energy saving, जहाँ पे reduced peak electricity demand और decrease greenhouse gas emissions. Now this is important. Greenhouse gas emission की अगर example आप मेंस में भी लिख रहे हैं, तो आप बता सकते हैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने एक्चुअल में किस किस तरह की, आई मीन पैसिव, और बेसिकली जो पैसिव पार्ट ऑफ ट्रीटमेंट बोल सकते हैं या पैसिव एक्शंस की बात कर सकते हैं, तो अब उसमें एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी की जो नेशनल प्रोग्राम है, इंडक्शन प्रोग्राम की, उसके बारे में बता सकते हैं. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट फॉर द टॉपिक. होप दिस हेल्प्स यू एंड यू लाइक द वीडियो. डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू गिव अ thumbs up. We'll meet in the next session with some of the important topic relevant for the examination. For time being, I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying connected.